Okay, let me show you the mess in my refrigerator. Okay. Disaster. All right, let's fix it up. Okay, let me show you what it looks like now. Ta-da! Look at that, all that room I have now. Got the fruits down here, the bagels and the cinnamon buns and the weird sauces that have no other space to go, and the yogurts and the other dairy, and the leftovers and the raw chicken that I didn't cook tonight, and then all the other things. Look at that. It only took me 20 minutes. Okay, now you go do yours.